All right, I meant for this to go live this morning, and I'm so sorry it didn't. So, just add this to what you're doing. Okay, if you're not getting the production that you want, if you're not getting the results that you want, add this to what you're doing. This won't take much time of your at all of your day today. Real estate business, guys. This won't take much time at all, and at least for me, guys, it gets me results. At least for me, it gets me results. So if it gets me results, I assume it's going to get you results if you just do what we're getting ready to go over. So first thing I want you to do Sunday mornings. Sunday mornings. If you're watching this on a Tuesday, that's okay. At the end of the series, I'm going to have 7 days worth of what to do that only takes at tops 2 hours. Tops 2 hours for you to get business from just being you and being out there. So first off, what you got to do is you have to post to your Facebook, to your Twitter, to your True Social, to your social media, whatever platforms you have, you've got to post your local open houses. Your local open houses. What do you mean, Josh? Okay, let me show you what I mean, guys. Jump into KV Core. If you don't have KV Core, call me. I'll tell you how to get it for free. Guys, I've been telling you how to get it for free for 2.5 years now. But call me if you're ready to make that move to get KV Core for free. So first off, go into KV Core, guys. Okay. Type in your city, or if you're rural like me, type in your county. If you're city, type in your city or county right here. Okay. Oh, how do you get here? Okay. Lead engine, scroll down, build a squeeze page. Lead engine, scroll down, build a squeeze page. That'll get you to this page. Okay. Type in single family right here. Okay. See that? Single family right there. Scroll down right here. Options, type open house right there, and then up here source, you can put Facebook, you can put True Social, you can put wherever you're going to post it to, you can put that there, and then hashtag, I'm going to put Shawnee open houses. Even though I'm putting all of Pottawatomie County, I'm going to put Shawnee open houses because that's where a majority of the open houses are going to be at. I just know that because I'm in the market, and that's how I know it. And then click generate link right there. Okay, this will pop up. Copy it. See how it says copied right there? Copied. And then back check it first. So open up a new tab incognito. Control V for paste. Back check it real quick. Back check it, and boom, there's open houses. Okay, so you know it works. So then I want you to open up your social media. So open up your social media. Okay. Go to your business page. I'm going to go to my Living in Seminole, Oklahoma business page. Is what I'm going to do. And then I've got this post going right here that I already put out this morning, but that's okay. I'll do a new post. Not a big deal. Oh yeah, I've got to switch to managing the page. So I'm switching to managing the page, and then I'm going to put local area open houses. Local area open houses. I'm doing this as fast as I can, guys. Go back, watch the video again, replay it. I want to get you all this information in less than 10 minutes. Local area open houses. Click here to see what's open today. And then I'm going to do an arrow asterisk. And then I'm going to put that link. Then I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to put my state's disclosure. Okay, right there. And if you wanted to change the house picture, you could change the house picture by just closing this out right here and then clicking on picture, and you could put a house picture there. I'm just going to let it ride like this right now because I want to show you how to get started. All you got to do is start. That's all you guys got to do is start right there. All you got to do is start. Okay. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it. So I copied that so I could put it on my other social media platforms. So let's say I'm in Truth. Okay. So I go to Truth. I do the same thing right there. Okay. Post it. Okay. Let's say you're in Twitter. Go to Twitter. Put the same post in Twitter. Post. Okay. Etc. Etc. Put that post out there. Okay. That's the first thing I want you to do. Okay. Post local open houses Sunday morning. Post that right away. Then, so I'm in Facebook and I'm in my personal. What do you mean by food post? Watch how easy this is. I'm going to put Oklahoma City restaurant. Oklahoma City restaurant. Okay. Okay. Look, OKC Talk. It's talking about this golf course being open again. I wonder if the food is going to be as good as the new facility looks. Okay, post a food post. Josh, I can't post all this at once. Yes, you can. Yeah, you can. You can post it throughout the day if you want. You can post it throughout the day if you want, but you can also post it all at once. You can. You can't because the the um the algorithms are going to apply these posts to people that they relate to. They relate to. Okay, then you go to your friends list, and I'm not going to show you my friends list because that's personal to people. But go to your friends list, type in the A letter in your friends list, and go through 25 of your friends. Okay, let me backtrack. So this weekly routine that you're going to be doing is 25 days of stuff. 25 days of stuff. So take your total friends list, divide it by 25, and that's going to tell you how many friends you need to go through Sunday through Friday and touch with, to do touches with. So that number that you have right there, I want you to then go and open up that many friend tabs, open up tabs, and then I want you to go and like their stuff, share their stuff if it's something cool, comment on their stuff if it's something cool, but go through that many friends. Okay, does that make sense? Comment down below if you got questions on it. Call, text, email me if you've got questions on it. And then now, as people start looking at your open houses, as people start looking at your posts that you're posting, because we're going to go through other posts that you're going to do throughout the day, throughout the week, you're going to go and reach out to those people. Me, hey, thanks so much for reaching out. I saw you saw the open house list. Do you want me to customize it? Is there something specific you're looking for? Like if it's not necessarily in the Shawnee area, do you want an open house list for Oklahoma City area? What can I do for you? How can I be of service? You're going to start a conversation. You're going to start a conversation and leave that on their voicemail too. If they don't pick up, it's okay. Not a big deal. But leave it on their voicemail. It's not a big deal. And then I want you to go back between 2 and 4 when typically some agents do open houses. I want you to be on the phone, going through all of your past leads in your CRM, KV Core, all of your past leads in your CRM. And I want you to call them all. So up here on KV Core, it has a number of tasks that you're supposed to complete. Go through all of those people because every day KV Core gives you new tasks. If you never turned off the automation, it gives you new tasks every day to follow up with certain people. Go through and follow up with all those people. So that is what you're going to do for Sunday. In less than 2 hours, guys. In less than 2 hours, you're going to do these business generating activities that's going to make your phone ring more, that's going to create more conversations with customers and consumers, which is going to lead to more business and more closings. That's the name of the game. Let's make 2023 your best year yet, guys. Let's take your business to that next level. And remember, you are who you associate with, guys. You are who you associate with. So if you're the big fish in your office, or if you're a broker owner looking at expansion internationally, or if you're a team leader looking at ways to give your team every single tool available without any additional cost and be able to help them grow and not train people just to leave your team, but grow your team to thousands of different agents, just like Jay Kinder, just like Michael Reese. Guys, call, text, or email me. I want to chat with you more about EXP and everything that EXP Realty can do for you. If you enjoyed today's video, a task-oriented video, please definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it with all your friends. This is what we're going to go through this week. So if you enjoyed it, definitely hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the new videos that are going to drop Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's going to take you to these tasks that you can do in less than 2 hours every single day to generate more business. I'll see you guys on the next video.